All right, March 19th, and Cam just got one monster crappie. We're going to get a measurement. Bo's putting the tape on him right here. And it looks like it's about 16 and a half. Let's see here. Straighten that out.
Well, you gotta straighten that lip out there.
There you go.
16 right on.
16 right on the 16 right on the nuts. Wow. I'll tell you what, Cam, that is a crappie of a lifetime. You got it right here on Rainy Lake.
Right here with Woody.
And Bo.
Oh yeah. It's been a
All right,
blast.
man. Let's see that fish one more time. Holy cow. I mean, that's a fish. Woo! No, March 19th, 2013, big crappie.
Right. Yeah. Woo. That's right.
That ain't any good. I thought it was good, but it's not.
Oh, here, look at stuff.